What's going on, guys? It's your boy EJ coming to you guys from Florida. I'm out here at one of the little small parks. They got a lake. I done already seen a few alligators out here, but as you know from the thumbnail, I'm going to be talking about the 3 best selfie sticks that you can get, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not going to go with any of those crazy selfie sticks that you're probably not going to use, no way. I do have a new selfie stick because Insta360 finally got me my selfie stick sent in the mail, you know what I'm saying? It took them a long time to get it to me, but now I got it. I think it's because of all these tariffs and all this other crazy mess that's going on, but either way it goes, I do have the selfie stick now. So I'm gonna show you my 3 best selfie stick that you're gonna need, because most of us are not gonna buy any of those super special selfie sticks. And the only one that I didn't bring with me today that I don't have on my list is gonna be the battery powered Insta360 selfie stick, which a lot of you might use, because if you're doing a long tour or at the zoo or something like that, you might need a little extra power. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this video started because it is looking bad out here and I don't want to get caught out here in the rain, because I am on the scooter today, guys. Let me show it to you guys. I got the GoTrax GX3, and this is gonna be my new way of just getting around when I'm out doing tours and stuff like that. But yeah, here it is right here, guys. The GoTrax GX3 scooter. And I'm gonna be using this scooter instead of using the 4-wheel scooter, because the 4-wheel scooter just basically didn't work out. But we're gonna go ahead and get this video started, and I'm gonna start showing y'all the selfie sticks. And we might do a small unboxing of the one that Insta360 sent me, because I just picked it up today. I haven't even unboxed it yet. So yeah, road intro. All right, guys, we're gonna get this thing started because I don't have a whole lot of time, because the rain is constantly trying to move in on me and I don't want to have to load the scooter up when it's wet. But this is going to be our first selfie stick that we're going to start with. This is the one from Insta360. This one here actually has the tripod on the bottom, and this might be the best selfie stick that most of y'all probably could get, because it does come with the tripod, so you can set it down if you need to set the tripod down or your 360 camera down for whatever reason, and do any kind of walking around and shot or whatever like that. So if you really just want to take one with you, this might be the one that you want right here. It's only $24. They also have one that doesn't have the tripod on the bottom, and it's $24 too. I think it's carbon fiber, so you can grab that one as well, and that'll be like $50, and you have pretty much all the selfie stick you need. So this one here is great too, because like I said, it does extend out pretty long. I actually never extend mine out this long, but it does extend out this long. And if you saw my videos with the 360 camera, you know this is plenty long enough for you to do what you need to do, and if you want to set it on the ground, you know what I'm saying? So this is probably the best universal one, because like I said, you can go hands-free with it easily. And the only difference between this one and the next one I'm going to show you is probably going to be weight. This one here weighs a little bit more, only because it has the tripod built in there, and I actually have the cap lock system on the top of it, so you can easily do this number here. Yeah, but this is this one here, and don't forget it got this on it. Like I said, you can pick it up from Best Buy, Amazon, or wherever. And as you can see, when you fold it down, it's pretty compact. One thing you do lose, you lose the ability to put a lanyard on here, because it don't have a little screw at the bottom. So you got to deal with that. All right, guys, this is going to be number 2. This is probably going to be one of the most that you're going to see out there, that you're going to see people using. This one here is carbon fiber, so if you haven't been eating your Wheaties, you don't have a good arm muscles or whatever, you probably want to use one like this. There's the name on it. Insta360 have one as well, but this one here is carbon fiber, so it's super light. It does have the quarter at the bottom, so you can add a tripod to it, and it also got the loop, so you can put the lanyard on there, which you really need, especially if you're brand new to doing this. You don't want to instantly drop your camera down, so having a lanyard is good. But I got this one here because this is actually a little bit longer than maybe your standard ones, and this way I really don't even have to extend it. I can just pretty much run it just like this. I don't have to extend it or anything. I can just run it just like this, and I'm pretty much good. This one here is a twist, so you pull it out and you twist it, and as you see, like I'm telling you, it's pretty long. So, and the good thing about it, like I said, it's pretty light as well, so that right there definitely helps it. That it's long, but it's light. The only weight on here is the Insta360 camera. You're not getting any weight from the pole itself. Probably about right there. That's probably about all you'll need for most of your shots. Get it stuck out there. Yeah, I really like this one here because it's super duper light. And if I'm not going anywhere near water or anything like that, I'm just hiking or something like that, or at a festival, at the zoo, aquarium or something like that, I just use this one, and it's super duper light. Only thing you got to remember is you're not going to have a tripod on the bottom, so if you want to set it down to take a shot, you're not going to be able to do it with this one here. But other than that, if you're just looking for one that's really light, this one, a carbon fiber one, it don't have to be this exact one. It could be any of the carbon fiber ones. They are pretty much the lightest. So if you're a little weak in the arm, you don't want to be holding something real heavy, get you one of these. And like I said, if you don't want to have to extend it up, get you one of these longer ones. Not the real fat ones, but one like this. This is about maybe an inch diameter. That's pretty much all you need right there. These alligators constantly popping up over here, guys. But when I try to walk over there and get them on film, they just take off on me. But yeah, this is definitely one of the ones you want to look at to pick up right here. Carbon fiber, John. Another really good selfie stick to have. And all of these here, we only talking about for the 360 camera, not for your action camera. All right, guys, here is the new one. I know y'all probably done seen this one on the internet before. This is the new, really small, compact one. That is small. It's actually smaller than what I thought it was. And yeah, and it folds over like that. That is nice. So definitely, if you're looking for one that's super compact, this is going to be the one you want. Yeah, this thing here is crazy compact, and it comes with the lens protector with it. This thing here is nice. I like this. Let me see. Okay, so you're not getting that much extension, but that's all the extension you need. That's about all the extension that I actually use most of the time. It's fairly light, but the carbon fiber one do feel like it's lighter than this one, even though this one here is tiny. I also got the remote control to come with it, which is great because I can just click the button and start recording. I don't have to actually touch the camera to start recording. That is nice. This is a real nice one here. Another good thing with it too, if you're going to like a restaurant or something, it actually has a small, hold up against my shirt, it actually has a small tripod connected up on it. I had to take my shades off because the rain clouds are coming on. I'm about to wrap this video up, guys, because it's about to rain on me. But yeah, that's nice. So you can actually like set this down on your table while you're eating or whatever like that, and get your 360 video going while you eating or doing something or whatever. I like the fact that it got a tripod built in. So that's it. All right, guys, and that's going to be the 3 selfie sticks that you actually need. These are not specialty selfie sticks. These are the 3 that you actually need. So definitely check these 3 out. This one is by Insta360. The one with the tripod on the bottom is by Insta360. And the other one is just another generic carbon fiber tripod that's very light and a little bit on the long side. I'm about to really put this one here to work. I'm really liking the size on this one right here. I wish it had the quick release built in on the top, so I'm gonna have to add the quick release on it because I don't like having to twist this thing. But yeah, you definitely could put it in your pocket too. And of course, this little piece here just goes across there like that. And then you're protecting your lens. You're not protecting your screen, but at least you're protecting your camera lenses. So that's pretty cool. All right, guys, I'm gonna bring this video to an end because before it starts raining on me, I need to ride back to my rig with before it starts raining, because I don't want to put the scooter in while it's wet. So yeah, check me out. I'm gonna do a little more checking out on the GoTrack GX3. So far, it's been an excellent scooter. The 4-wheel scooter, total no-go. We're gonna stick with this one and we're gonna work with it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go out here and catch out some more footage while I'm down here in Florida. And I'll see you guys on the next time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's very important that y'all hit that subscribe button, guys. Go ahead and hit it, the subscribe button. Peace.